This is Mr. MRTONO 42-piece multi-purpose ratchet set. Model number is number 840135. Bought it off Amazon for about $40 Canadian. The case comes in different colors. Yeah, so it's good for all kinds of things. There's a laptop, desktop, camera, appliances, furniture, toys, a game console. Pretty unique set. There's instructions in here. It just tells you basically what the kit includes. Here's the kit itself. It's plastic. Nice case. And I say that comes in different colors. Bits are marked and color coded, and as well as all the bit information is marked actually on the case. It is magnetizer here, a little magnetizer here. Magnetize your bits. The longer bits are more popular ones. The Phillips 1, Phillips 2, slotted 5, slotted 6, the Torx 15, the Torx 30, the hex number 4 and number 5 here. And that's the hex I use for the computer stand. Very useful set. Very unique ratcheting a T-handle here. You can make all kinds of combinations. Give it a little more strength. You can add to this way. This way. All magnetic. We're going to use a small spanner bit. This is a motor off a turntable off a microwave. Very unique ratcheting screwdriver. This is a computer stand putting together. This is side rails. They're using bolts here to hold the two side rails together. Notice that there's two rails here for support, and you can get your Allen wrench in there, but you only maybe a quarter turn. See a quarter turn here, and it's realign it every time you take the Allen wrench out and realign it. So it's a bit of a nuisance here to get this Allen wrench in, but we got a better solution. This little ratcheting screwdriver here. Make sure you get the right size in the bolt, and now you in there, and now you just ratchet. See how much more quicker it is to do this, a lot quicker, and you can ratchet the screw in very easily here. I actually did a video on how to assemble this computer stand. I'll leave that link in the comments section. Now we're going to flip it around and put the bolts in the other side that are part of the side rail, and we'll thread it in here, and it's going to be a lot easier using the ratcheting screwdriver than using that Allen key that's supplied with the computer stand here. You can see here the Allen key only works about a quarter of a turn, but the ratcheting screwdriver ratchets inside there. Makes it so much easier and so much quicker to do this job. We've got all 8 bolts in. Now we're going to tighten everything up. We actually tightened the bottom 4 bolts, and we're just going to tighten the top shelf here with this ratcheting screwdriver rather than use the Allen wrench that's supplied with it. It's so much easier with this ratcheting screwdriver, and makes it so simple to do and time consuming. Get your ratchet in there and just turn it and tighten things up. The top shelf of this computer stand. This ratcheting screwdriver is very unique. So a little lever in the bottom if you want to tighten it, or if you want to loosen it, turn the lever back and forth. Now all 3 ends can come off here. This bit will go into either all 3 ends, doesn't matter which one you want it to go into. You can remove all 3 if you want, and just use the bit in the smaller portion of this ratcheting screwdriver. So unique and so versatile. It's just unbelievable what this little ratchet can do for you here. So you just want the 2 ends removed. There you go. Just use that part of it. There's one thing I don't like about this ratchet screwdriver. The bit can fit in any three sides there. They all have magnets inside them to hold the bit in place. Now we're tightening the bolt that holds the side rail to the shelf. Our bit is in place. We're tightening it up here and it's working fine. But watch here when we finish up here, when we pull the ratcheting screwdriver off, the bit stays inside the bolt. So they got to make a stronger magnet in all three sides of this ratcheting screwdriver. I recommend this case here. It's got the color bits, it's got the marking on the bits as well as the case. This ratchet is it's T-handle ratchet, very unique. You got the longer bits here. Even has a magnetizer inside of it. So throw this in your kitchen drawer there, or even in your car or truck there. Very handy case to have. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Please take the time to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank you for listening today. Take care of yourself. We'll see you on the next video.